Hey, how's it going there, YouTube? This is Sick Eric back again with another video, and I know I'm a little late to the party, but fuck it, I'll do the video anyways. Today we're going to be going over how to install and set up the Google Camera Mod for your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and the S10e, which is what we got right here. Very, very simple and easy to do. It works excellent. No issues here. Really, really nice photo quality, especially at night. Daytime photos are about the same between the Samsung and the Gcam Mod. I'll post some samples at the end of the video just to show you guys just a few samples, some taken at night, some in the day, and a couple of videos just to show you compare the difference between the two apps. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. Very easy to do. I'll post a link in the description down below for the website to go. Let me go ahead and see if I can focus this. So I'm going to post a link to the description down below, and this is a article over here on XDA, and we're going to go ahead and check out the files to download. So we're going to scroll on down. It tells you all about the app. Works on the Snapdragon version, so keep that in mind. They're pretty sure there's an Exynos version out there somewhere, but for right now it's the Snapdragon version. And it's pretty simple. It says download the latest Google Camera app right here. So you're going to want to click on that. It'll take you to another page where you'll be able to look for mirrors to download. Give it some time. It's searching. And then once it finds it, you're going to want to click on one depending on your area. I'm in Texas, so I usually click the Texas one. So it doesn't take long to download. Like I said, depending on your area. Choose the one that fits you most, and then once that's downloaded, you could go ahead and hit back, and you're going to want to download the config files. And essentially what these are XML files. To once you have the camera installed, you could go in there and sort of restore settings, and these files have all the settings necessary to make this mod work properly on your device. So it's really easy to set up. It does everything for you as far as setting up the settings. You can go in there and tinker with them, but there's a lot of settings in there. Really easy to get confused on what the hell you're doing. So this just does everything for you. So it's really, really nice. You're going to want to do the same thing. Click here to download. It'll search for mirrors. And then once you find a mirror you want, click on it, download it, and you are ready to rock and roll. So next thing we're going to do is go into your files. And everything will be in your download section. So you're going to want to go in here and look for the Google Camera Mod. If I can find it, oh, there it is. So I got two of them, of course, because I just downloaded it twice. You're going to want to click on that, install it. You're ready to go. And then once you're done with that, you're going to come back and you're going to look for your Gcam zip, which should be right about here. So you're going to click on that, and once you do click on that, you're going to hit extract. And then you're going to want to extract it. So let's go ahead and hit replace to all items. And then once you're good with that, you're going to go back to your internal storage, and then you're going to extract it here, and it will put this Gcam folder right here with the configs right into your internal storage. So you're going to want to make sure that it is exactly in your internal storage, no folder like anywhere, not in DCIM. It has to be exactly in your internal storage. So once you have all that said and done and you're good to go, you're going to want to open up the app. And then once you have the app, I'm not sure if everything will work right out of the box, but what you're going to have to do is go into this area right here, this black area around your shutter button, and just double click. And then it'll give you an option to choose config right here. So you're going to want to click that. And then you're going to want to choose the S10 CS Mark II. You're going to click on that and then hit restore. And it'll do everything for you. And then you'll probably have to close out the camera app and then open it back up. And you should be ready to rock and roll. So really, really nice and easy. Let's go ahead and go through a walkthrough on how the camera looks. This is the regular camera mode, and it does support wide angle. So in order to get to wide angle, you're going to want to click the reverse button. And there I am right there. Take you to front facing. and then it'll take you to the wide angle, as you can see right there. Click it again, front facing, and then your normal camera right there. So really nice. A little bit of an extra step coming like from the Samsung phone to where it just has the 2 buttons to click wide and regular view. So it's a little bit of an extra step, but it does have it on there. Hopefully they implement a better way of getting wide angle on here. You also have your portrait mode, which does work for either or back front facing cameras. It works really well. The picture quality is really nice. You got your panorama and you got your lens blur. You also have your normal video for recording videos, and when you click on more, you have access to your night sight mode, which is really nice, and it's far more superior than Samsung's cameras. So really good night sight pictures. You got your photosphere, photo booth, and your settings, and this is just what the settings look like. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of different types of settings. Simple settings, like photo resolution front and back, video resolution front and back. Everything else, it just starts diving into a whole bunch of shit that I do not understand. Some of it I do, but some of it I don't. So like I said, that XML file, godsend. It sets everything for you. Really nice. With that being said though, yeah, regular pictures on here in daylight, they are pretty similar to the Samsung app as far as taking pictures. They look great. Wide angle, same thing, looks excellent. It's where at nighttime and nighttime pictures and video is where this just kills it as far as pictures go. I didn't take any video. Sorry guys, I did not take any nighttime video, but I did take nighttime pictures, and this night side mode on here just kills Samsung. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you some clips and a couple of videos of comparison Samsung camera to the Gcam camera. And keep in mind, the Samsung picture is always going to come first before the Gcam. Just keep that in mind with the little slideshow that I'm showing you comparing the pictures, and the same thing with the video towards the end. It's going to be the Samsung and then the Gcam. So stick around, watch this. Let me know in the comments what you think down below as far as which one you think looks better. Don't go anywhere, guys. This is the Samsung camera app, 4K, 30 frames per second. Just regular auto mode, Samsung 4K, 30 frames per second. As you can see, got the sun right there. Let's go and switch it to wide angle. This is the wide angle. Go ahead and do a little bit of walking. wide angle lens. Check out the stabilization. Regular walking. Regular lens. Stabilization. Regular walking. Cars passing by. 4K. This is the Google camera 4K. I believe it's 30 frames per second as well. Google camera. Got the sun. 4K. Checking out how it looks. Walking. 4K. 30 frames per second. Nice countryside out here in Sealy, Texas. Google camera again, 4K. There we go. Hey, what up guys? This is the Samsung front-facing camera at its highest setting as far as 4K recording. Samsung camera. Just to compare it to the Gcam, as you can see, really nice. I think I have the settings set to different settings, 9:13 or something shit like that. But yeah, Samsung camera, 4K, highest setting, front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e, comparing to the Gcam for this Samsung Galaxy S10. That's pretty much it. Yeah, front-facing camera. So what up guys, this is the Google Gcam Mod front-facing camera, taking video at, I believe it's 4K. So let you guys check it out, how it looks, as far as how the sky looks and everything. Just a quick video on how the front-facing camera looks and how it records. Check out the sound in the background, playground right over there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison on all the photos and all the video of this. Hope you enjoyed the video and got this Gcam installed on your Samsung device. With that being said guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell for future content on my videos. Peace.